Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have crypto market. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. The third tier has a money guarantee back if you do not make more. And of course, what else do we have? We have everyday trading, scalping, strategy, and all the information about the crypto market. You will get many other benefits, including market updates, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see the Ethereum against USDT chart, Bitcoin, and so on. Before we do that though, let's go a little bit to this confession. I found it on Twitter. 20 years old and almost lost everything this past week. Had life-changing amounts of money and blew it. If I don't make it all back with that little I have left, I don't know what I'll do. You can laugh and joke. No one is laughing, trust me on that, around, but this shit's serious. People like to act like crypto is bound to make you rich if you stick around long enough, but nobody talks about how it can ruin your life. God save me. So you can see crypto market and those that you put 20x leverage, 30x and so on, please have in your mind that as you can gain all your money, you can lose it as well in just 1 minute, and this minute can cost you so much. There are people that won, but there are people that lost over 300,000 Tether USD. There are people that lost their savings. So I would suggest you to be extremely careful and follow pages and YouTubers that are telling you non-biased information, that are telling you the truth, not clickbaits, not going in for likes, just the truth, the honest opinion. And right now we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that Bitcoin, despite the fact that we are having a small correction, as we talked about in the previous updates, we would have a correction and we should be prepared for something bigger. It isn't the case that right now Bitcoin is looking weak. This is something that it keeps bothering me. Anyway, I am anticipating, to be honest with you, I am anticipating a crash, I'm anticipating a correction, I'm anticipating Bitcoin to fall down. Sooner or later, we will find it out. Okay, we will have a price action, a good price action, whether it is now or on Sunday, we will find before the weekly close a nice price action. Now, if we remain like that, inside the on Saturday and Sunday before the weekly close, then expect a correction. Red candlestick right here, expecting more correction to come. Now for Ethereum against USDT chart, I'm going a little bit back to Ethereum before I go to Bitcoin again. You can see that Ethereum is stronger. We discussed about that, right? Plus 1.24%, while Bitcoin had a red day, Ethereum had a green day. And right now, it seems like Ethereum and some other altcoins want to go up, right? They are tired of Bitcoin's price action and the money are flowing into some altcoins. Now, this looks like some, I would say this looks like a bull cycle, right? To me, this looks like definitely like a bull cycle. And you can see that right now, Ethereum doesn't want to lose the 1643. But it doesn't look bad for Ethereum. I will be honest with you, I thought that Ethereum is looking worse. I thought that Ethereum would be looking actually worse. But seeing the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, I think that it has lots of potential for the next few days, right? And maybe for the next 1 to 2 weeks, it is going to outperform Bitcoin. This is going to be good for altcoins, and this means that even if Bitcoin corrects, we do not have to worry so much. You can see that eventually Bitcoin is floating downside sideways. I told you that I'm expecting the 21.8k for BTC, a correction coming in. I am still expecting that, but the altcoins will be a little bit stronger. Some of the altcoins will eventually go even higher. They have the potential to move higher. However, for the time being, for now, I think that the most probable scenario for Bitcoin it is to go down to the 21.8k. Now, if we have the huge price action that we are expecting down here, no altcoin will survive. What I mean by that is that we are going to have correction for all the altcoins. Okay, no altcoin will survive this correction. Right here, you can see that Bitcoin, if it falls down and it corrects a -6%, then most of the altcoins will go down as well. Okay, do not anticipate that they are going against Bitcoin. But as long as Bitcoin is going sideways a little bit down, you can see that the money can flow around Bitcoin, around the altcoins, and they can eventually get some money. You saw the Luna Classic pump that we talked about. When Bitcoin would go a little bit down, money would be transferred to Luna Classic and it would pump. This is what we said, and this is what happened. For the Ethereum against USDT chart, things are looking quite stronger. I would say that maybe we are having right here a bullish pennant in the 1 hour frame. This is going to be fantastic if it happens, right? Okay, the bullish pennant in the 1 hour frame is going to be very, very good, very, very nice for Ethereum. And yes, Ethereum could pump today while Bitcoin will float sideways a little bit bearish, right? So I think that we are in a good spot to say that Ethereum made a nice progress right here, and we are going to eventually have some more pump, maybe towards the 1.7K. This is what changed from the previous days, how strong Ethereum is, right? You can see the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart right here. If you type ETH's BTC, you will see the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. This is the fact that we were talking about. Ethereum was looking stronger. This is why. The reason why is because we have this line right here. Okay, so it is quite off the bottom trend line. And yeah, we should be going higher. Ethereum should be more bullish than Bitcoin, and I'm expecting another day probably to be more bullish. We will see about that though. We have a huge risk in the 4 hour frame. Okay, we should keep that in our minds as well. We have some high risk. I'm anticipating good things, but once Bitcoin corrects, be certain that many altcoins will be crashing down. Okay, and nothing will be going upwards. Some trust meme coins, you know, okay, out of the 5,000 and more altcoins that there are existing into the crypto market and the crypto space. Of course, I think that we are going to have some altcoins that are going against Bitcoin. This could be Luna Classic. But in overall, I think that Bitcoin is going to correct, right? We are going to have a correction to the downside, right? And I do not expect a pump pretty soon enough for BTC. In the lower time frames, we have to correct. This has to correct. This price action right here has to correct. Of course, this wasn't a fake out. Instead, this was a triangle. It didn't turn out as a bullish pennant formation, and then we corrected. We went down from it. Okay, so we should be seeing that into the price action. We should be seeing that into a nice price action, and this would mean that the monthly frame right now would make something like this. Okay, we had a higher high, but at the end of the day, into the monthly, a -6%, a -10% could be the case for BTC. In overall, though, we have started the crypto bull cycle. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, especially the third tier. Has a professionalism in the trading and has a money guarantee back. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.